shit, what's this car doing? What the f? Jesus Christ, guy, what are you doing? Get the f out of the way, bro! Stop! Go! Stop! Like, what the f? Why isn't this guy going straight? What the f? Okay, go. He's trying to go to their little meetup here. What the? Just yeah.
Said, calling fences. I feel like is not like fame necessarily, but like if you
okay, Garmin,
has the same
save video.
Slow rolling it through the grass.
What the heck is going on?
What the heck is going fast though?
Right there.
Of the film who then re-parents the younger version of yourself, giving yourself everything you needed back then, but didn't receive. How can we use the theory of the inner child to help us become better at reading people? In the same way we can learn to identify when someone is operating from their shadow, we can see if someone is motivated particularly from their inner child. If you're having an argument with a partner, and they're angry and defensive, you may suddenly
dude. You guys completely miss me? You're good, bro. I need to hit you. No, it's all good. Right? I ain't mad. I've been there. I've been there.
I'm not following you, man. We just happen to be going the same way. I ain't following you, dude. What the fuck, dude? We're just going the same way by chance, dude. Chill the out. What's your problem, man? I'm not following you. I work here, motherfucker. Get the fuck out here, dude. Dude, what the fuck?
Oh, motherfucker! Oh!
What's the fuck your problem, dude?
I saw you!
I wasn't letting you. Yeah. Get out of here.